Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to scrape stock prices from Yahoo Finance with Python. We'll dive straight into setting up your Python environment and installing the necessary libraries. You'll learn to fetch historical and real-time stock data, which is incredibly useful for analysis. This guide will provide a clear, step-by-step approach to get you started quickly and effectively. First, ensure you have Python installed on your system, along with a good code editor. Then, open your terminal or command prompt and install the Finance and pandas libraries using pip. These two libraries are essential for our task. Once installed, you'll simply import them at the beginning of your Python script to access their powerful functionalities. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide useful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. And on another note, if your coding sessions are leaving your car smelling a bit stale, grab a Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener. It's a game changer for freshness. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now let's get to fetching the data. You'll start by defining the stock ticker symbol you're interested in, like Apple for Apple. Then create a ticker object using Finance. Ticker. With this object, you can easily retrieve historical data, such as daily closing prices, by calling the history method. It's straightforward and provides a wealth of information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.